Hello everyone, so I'm Vinayak Koppal. In this video, I'm going to show you the isometric projection of hemisphere and a square prism. So first we shall look at the problem here. A hemisphere of diameter 50 is centrally resting on top of the square prism, which is having a base side as a 60 and height 30 mm, and such that the curved surface of the hemisphere is touching the top face of the prism. So we need to draw the isometric projection of these two combination of solids. So as usual, first open the solid edge software, set the sheet to A4 size. Here first we need to construct the square prism, which is having a side as a 60 here. So 60 30, then again 60 150, 60 minus 150, and finally it is 60 minus 30. So after that, draw the height of the prism, so which is given as a 30 in this problem. Again go for the move, so select this line, select I want to move from this point, and just go on keeping at the remaining three corners. Then you can connect the top face of the prism. Yes, then now so you can delete the lines whichever that are not visible when you're looking from the front side. And again I need this horizontal diagonal in order to connect with the hemisphere. So your prism is ready now. So then you need to construct the hemisphere, so which is having a dia as a 50. So 50 30, then again okay, just will confirm, yes it is 50, then again it is 50 150, then again 50 minus 150, and finally it is 50 minus 30. So first draw the horizontal diagonal again from this point, midpoint of the opposite lines. This is a 4-point method of drawing the ellipse. So now go for the arc by center point. Yes, this will be the center, this will be the radius. It has to extend up to this point. Again this will be the center, radius, and it has to extend up to this point, and similarly so it has to extend up to this, and remaining one you can use the mirror command and give the fit command. Now again go for the arc by center point, this as a center and this arc as a radius, so it has to extend up to this point. So now this hemisphere, so we have to block it, so block it so that it should not changes its any dimension. And here we need to draw the radius of the hemisphere, so which is nothing but 25 here, then 90 here. Fine. So now so this we have to connect this point with this point, and just unblock this one, and you can trim out the lines, construction lines, whatever you have drawn, in order to clearly visible the combination of two solids whatever we have drawn. So these are all construction lines. If you want you can return also, that is not a problem. So this also you can trim out, and you can show this as the axis line. Yes, and some of the lines are not visible, so when you this is also you can trim out, and as similarly this. And here whatever the diagram we have drawn, so we have drawn it for the actual, so again we need to convert this to the isometric. Go for the scale, switch off the copy, and here so give the conversion factor as 0.816. okay, it is 0.816, just keep it here. So now this is the isometric projection of the square block and the hemisphere. Thank you.